How to uninstall Notion on laptop? Let's see. Method 1. Press Windows plus R, type this website and hit enter. In the list of programs, find Notion. Right click on it and select uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation. Method number 2. Using settings. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Go to app. Installed. Click on installed apps or apps and features. Scroll down and find Notion. Click the three dots. Then click uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation. Method number 3. After uninstalling, you may want to remove leftover files. Press Windows plus R. Then type %data, app data %, and press enter. Delete the Notion folder if it still exists. Also check local app data for a Notion folder and delete it. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe.